This video is about order of operations. It's from the module Whole Numbers and Integers. Now, from the text, I'd like to remind you that there is a hierarchy of things that need to be done. First of all, it's brackets, followed by powers or roots, followed by multiplication and division. They have equal priority, followed by addition and subtraction, and once again they have equal priority. So in this particular example, we need to do the brackets first. Now once we get to the brackets though, we notice that there's an addition and there's a multiplication within the brackets. So we need to now prioritise those and do the multiplication first. So this becomes 4 plus, I'll just make that a little clearer, 4 plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Now finishing the brackets off, it becomes 40 divided by 4 plus 4 is 8. Now there's only one operation left to do. 40 divided by 8 is 5. The next question has brackets as well, and it has a square root, a square, a times, and a subtraction. One thing that we should point out before we proceed though is notice that in this spot here there is no operation suggested. Now it's got a little bit of a hint at an algebra piece of knowledge, which is that if no operation is given, then it's always implied that it's multiplication. So this will mean 2 times whatever is inside the brackets. So we could write that like that. Now inside the brackets we need to sort things out, and we need to do the square roots and the squares first. So the square root of 16 is 4, subtract 3 times 2 squared, which is 4. Now just a little reminder, because this hasn't been taught formally in a module, the square root of 16 is 4, and the reason for that is because 4 times 4 gives 16, and 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. 2 is being multiplied by itself twice, and that's also 4. So if we keep going here, this will be, now we've got 2 operations within the brackets that need to be done. Multiplication's got to be done first, because multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So this becomes 4, take away 3 4s are 12. So this becomes 2 times. Now solving the brackets, we've got 4 take 12. So this is something, it's like an integer problem. That will be negative 8. On a number line, if you start at 4 and you go in the subtraction direction 12, you'll end up at negative 8. Or you can look at this and say the signs in front of these two are different, so we need to subtract. 12 take 4 is 8. The sign in front of the largest number is negative, so it's negative 8. And then 2 times 8 is 16. A positive times a negative is a negative. So that's that question solved. And the next one, we've got 2 lots of brackets here. So we need to sort of solve them independently. Now the first lot is very easy. 3 times 12 is 36. So that's going to be 36 divided by. Now the other set of brackets, we have 2 operations. So we're not going to be able to solve this all at once. So it's going to be that we have to do the division first. So it's going to be 4 take 13, because 26 divided by 2 is 13. So then this becomes 36 divided by, now 4 take away 13 is negative 9. Now once again, this is like an integer number calculation, and if you can imagine 4 on a number line, take away 13 takes us down to negative 9. Or if you want to think of it another way, the signs in front of these two numbers are different, which means we need to subtract. 13 take 4 is 9. The sign in front of the largest number, the 13, is negative, so it's negative 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And a positive divided by a negative is a negative.